Commonly mispronounced words. The word is heart. Heart. Mother Teresa had a heart of gold. The word is Wednesday. Wednesday. Tom visited the doctor on Wednesday. The word is cough. Cough. John was coughing and sneezing throughout the day. The word is dengue. Dengue. Dengue fever is a viral disease carried by mosquitoes. The word is thumb. Thumb. Mary gave a thumbs up after eating the meal. The word is pizza. Pizza. Mary only eats pizzas on weekends. The word is jewelry. Jewelry. Samantha has some lovely pieces of jewelry. The word is data. Data. There is a lot of important data in Tanya's office laptop. The word is onion. Onion. Richard is growing onions in his garden. The word is asthma. Asthma. Jenny got an asthma attack last night. The word is women. Women. There were so many women in the party. The word is bowl. Bowl. Hindus use bowls for ceremonies. The word is salon. Salon. She got her hair cut from a nearby salon. The word is cucumber. Cucumber. Annie is cool as cucumber. The word is video. Video. You're watching a video on commonly mispronounced words. The word is poem. Poem. Amber wrote a poem for her mother on the occasion of Mother's Day. The word is vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetables are important for holistic development of the body. The word is buffet. Buffet. The dinner included a generous buffet and drinks. The word is monk. Monk. The monk was meditating. The word is receipt. Receipt. If Chris pays the bill by card, the shopkeeper will give him a copy of his credit card receipt. With this, we've come to the end of our lesson. I hope the video was helpful. You have to let me know in the comment section the pronunciation of the word that surprised you the most. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep growing.